to my channel and my after orchid haul, Repot or not Repot video. And this is my haul from Lucke Orchideen in Germany. It was the first time I bought from them, so I didn't know what to expect. And but I've heard that yeah, it doesn't only go for Lucke Orchideen, it goes for quite a lot of orchid nurseries that's out there. That they have, they say that the Cattleya and the orchids are flowering size, but when you get them, when they arrive, they're not. They have at least 2 to 3 years to flowering size, and yeah, so you get a lot of people has been disappointed in the past. But so I thought that maybe Lucke wasn't so nice, that they had small plants. But well, it was the other way around. As you can see, it's not small sized orchids on the table here, is it? Well, yeah, and I thought the delivery time was 2 days, and I got the package delivered to my front door and with DHL, and yeah, it went smooth. This was a success. Everything just went so smooth. So I just want to show you the orchids, Repot or not Repot. This is a Paphiopedilum. Yeah, you're right. I have only one Paphiopedilum at home now, and that's because I haven't been so successful with my Paphiopedilums in the past. They just rot off, and now, you know, yeah, I don't really know how to care for them properly. Or they don't really like my environment. I don't know, but yeah, it hasn't worked, no. But this is Paphiopedilum Sun Actaeus times Lippewunder. And I thought the flowers were amazing. And this is flowering size. And it's sitting in bark in this plastic pot. And it's going to remain here in this pot and in this bark. Just see to that the roots are buried. That there are no roots in the air here. Yeah, I think, yeah, I don't have to do much with this. I put my stripes here just to stack it up a little bit to stabilize it in the pot. And I think this will do for this one. Look at the leaves, look at the foliage. Beautiful. Thank you so much for that. And I got yet another Paphiopedilum. I was looking at Paphiopedilum Pinocchio, but I tried that one out twice, and the scale took it both times. So, well, I just didn't want to have it anymore. But a Paphiopedilum that I really like is this Paphiopedilum Rothschildianum. But if I'm going to get it, I'm going to get flowering size. And you all know what that one cost, how much it is. It's quite a lot. It's a fortune. So I thought I'd try this one out, this cross between Paphiopedilum Pinocchio and Paphiopedilum Rothschildianum. But I didn't expect this size orchid. Yeah, it's a real good size, and it's flowering size for quite a cheap price as well. I think it was 14 or 12 euro. I don't really remember, but yeah, that's a nice price for this size Paphiopedilum with Rothschildianum in it. Yeah, really nice. I'm looking forward to see this one in bloom, really. And this one, I got a bonus plant from them. Maybe it was because I'm a first-time buyer, first-time customer, but it really doesn't matter. I liked it. It was the first time I ever got a bonus flower from any of the orchid nurseries that I bought from, ever. So this was really nice, and it's a quite good size Cattleya, maybe 2 years from flowering, I don't know, but it is. It's beautiful Cattleya fabia with Doviana aurea and Cattleya labiata in it. But the thing is that I already got this one, this variety, one that I bought as a seedling from Orchid Garden, and it looks like this. It's the same variety. I mean, it's a quite huge difference, isn't it? This one is more compact, with shorter pseudobulbs, shorter canes. This one is quite old. It's a couple of years now, and it grows really slowly, as you can see. So, yeah, the same variety, but different inheritance, different amount of inheritance, I think. I mean, maybe this one came out with a little bit more labiata inheritance than this one did. It's a little bit more Daviana in this one. It's a little bit more fuzzy. All right. And I got this one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful orange one. It's Cattleya Aurantiaca Mishima Spot. The beautiful orange flowers with spots on them. Yeah, but well, maybe it should be flowering size, but I think it's going to take 1 year. Yeah, but that's just me. I have a lot of thoughts. But yeah, I look forward to see this one in bloom, really. That's a beautiful orange splash. And this one, whoops, this one is, it's on the website, as I told you in my previous video, the whole video, it said it was 18 months from flowering size, but the next time I checked, it was flowering size, so they, obviously they updated the web shop. So it was good for me, because I waited 2 days and then it was flowering size, yeah. Yeah, it's Cattleya Harrisoniae times Volcano Queen times Binot. And this pink lovely flowers. Oh, this is, I thought I had to wait, but no, I don't think I have to wait, perhaps 1 year. But this is, as you can see, obviously flowering size. It's been flowering 2 times already, at least. And it's sitting in bark. I didn't say that about the other ones, but they're sitting in bark, so I'm not gonna repot them yet, because they're not hanging out over the edge yet. Yeah, so it's gonna stay like this until it outgrows its pot. Yes, this one is gonna be lovely to see in bloom. And here, what's this? Whoops! Yes, it's wobbly. This one I really have to do something about. Yeah, at first, now I have to, yeah. All right, this one is also really nice size Cattleya. It's a huge Cattleya, of course, as usual. No, it's one that I thought should be a miniature orchid, and it's not. It's BLC, Giselle B. It's, I think it was yellow flowers with white stripes on them, or the other way around. You should see in the pop-up here. And so it's obviously flowering size, as it should be. And a lovely new growth. And that one is a little bit deformed, but yeah, maybe this one is going to produce something in the future. And it's going to stay, yeah, it can stay here until this one produces some new roots, I think, yeah. And now, over to the last one. And this one is in desperate need of repotting. As you can see, this one is crazy. But the roots are alive and they turn green when I spray them. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna cut the rhizome here. And in order to have it in the same kind of pot, or if I can perhaps use a hanging basket for it to save some space. We shall see. But I really have to repot it. Yeah, before the new growth here are gonna produce something that's gonna just dry off, so no. And yeah, I didn't tell you, of course, what it is. It's the one with the long name. The one I've been looking at for so long now, a couple of months, and well, yeah. It's BC Chinese bronze times LC Lee Langford times Goldenzelle times Waikiki Goldleya. Whew, I will never remember that name. So I will call it Chinese bronze. Okay, yeah. So it's also sitting in bark, and well, that will make it easy for me, since I want to shift my mixture a little bit from sphagnum moss mixed with bark to plain bark in the future, I think. Well, we shall see. I'm not really sure, but maybe. Okay. And this one is sitting in bark, so it's going to be easy for me to convert it and to repot it. And it will be easier for it to stabilize. Yeah, all right, that was all. 7 orchids that turn out to be 8. From this beautiful orchid nursery, Lucke Orchideen, which I can really recommend to you. A really nice orchid nursery with good sized plants, really good sized plants. Beautiful orchid nursery with a smooth shipment and great contact. Alright, have a good day and thank you so much for watching this channel. I really appreciate it. See you next time. Bye bye.